Hello everyone and welcome to my course. My name is Isidoro Saris and this is the guide to smartphone virtual reality. This is a simple and very useful course for anyone who has a smartphone and wants to experience virtual reality without spending too much. Games, movies, videos, sometimes even the entire content of your phone can be experienced in virtual reality. So let's get started. Modern day technology has evolved so much, especially in the last couple of decades. Our TVs, computers, phones, and other devices today allow us to experience media in more impressive, intuitive, and interactive ways than ever before. It seems now it's time for virtual reality to enhance our viewing experience even further. Though the virtual reality concept is not something new, the advancements in technology in the last couple of years have allowed the virtual reality experience to enter our lives, and more specifically, our smartphones. There are several premium options of PC-powered virtual reality machines right now, but in this course we're going to focus on smartphone-powered virtual reality, which is much more affordable and accessible. But what is virtual reality and how we can experience it using our smartphones? If you're a movie fan like myself, you've probably have seen mentions of virtual reality in movies like The Matrix, Star Trek, The Lone Mover Man, and others. In real-world terms, the concept of virtual reality is quite simple to understand. When in virtual reality, you feel like you are in a real environment, moving through it, and interacting with the images displayed to you. Walking on an exotic beach, shooting aliens on a distant galaxy, watching a movie from a drive-in theater based on the moon are just some examples of the experience you can have with virtual reality inside your own room. Of course, the experience is limited to video and audio only, especially when using a smartphone which has limited processing power, but still, the experience is unique. The technology, when using a smartphone, essentially involves an application that will split your smartphone's display into two identical screens and combined with a VR headset that holds the smartphone a few inches away from your eyes will create a stereoscopic 3D effect. The images and video displayed, depending on the content you're using, will encompass your entire vision and provide an immersive experience. Wherever you look will feel like you are inside the virtual environment you've chose to see. The potentials of virtual reality are incredible, not only for watching movies and enjoying games, of course, but also in healthcare, education, virtual travel, social interactions, and many more. We've just started to experience the technology of tomorrow, today.